Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with Chart Guys. It is Monday, March 12th. Going to do my nightly video on oil. So oil weekly, if you followed my videos, then you know that I'm expecting it to move in a range for a while. Again, that range is the high here of 66.66 and the low of 58.07. The weekly is moving between this range right now. It has been for weeks now. What I would look for to go long would be a break of last week's high of 63.28. What I would look for to go short would be a break of 59.95, the low of last week. And so if we break the low of last week, I'm going to expect to lose this, and we lose this 20 MA on the weekly, then I am going to expect for now a lower high, lower low pattern, especially and see if we can go back and retest these lows. And if we break those lows, and that's going to confirm that we're going to be in a lower high and lower low pattern here. If the weekly breaks the high here of 63.28 and then breaks above 64.24, I am going to still look for a lower high of below 66.66 and just sit here in a range for a while. And I really think that we are going to be in a range for a while, so it's better to simply trade at this point oil until it finds its footing either way for bears or bulls. Looking at the daily. Looking at the daily, this chart is in favor of the bears now. You can see that from the highs, we had a low, we had a bounce here, but off these recent highs, we are now setting lower highs here on the bounces and lower lows. And so to change that trend, bulls need to break above the 63.28, and again, that's the high of last week that I'm talking about that it needs to break. So would be watching a resistance for bulls 63.28 on the daily, and for bears, obviously for continuation of this pattern to continue to set lower highs and lower lows, a break of 59.95. If we are unable to break this high here of 63.28, then that's where I would consider taking a bear position, potentially a back test of the 50 MA. If it rejects there, that may be a good spot to take a bear position in oil. For a quick trade, again, with a weekly in a range, I wouldn't swing it for overnight at this point. Looking at the hourly. RSI has been getting some nice oversold bounces. So if that's another way you can play the day trade right now. If it drops below that 30, start scouting for oversold bounces. I've had some decent oversold bounces there on the hourly. The hourly did here on Friday, did break to a higher high, and now it needs to set a higher low here. So I would look for the low of tomorrow, 61.16. If we're able to hold that, then let's see if it can continue to trade in a higher high, higher low pattern on the hourly. Probably looks the same on the 4-hour. See what it looks like on the 4-hour. 4-hour. So you can see back here, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Once we broke that, we had a little bump up and then went back to that pattern again. And then we set a new lower low on this 4-hour. So be a little bit wary. I would like to see a break on the 4-hour of 62.33 to confirm that the bottom has been set in, and that we're going to continue to set higher lows and higher highs on this 4-hour on the oil. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.